fuck is going on? Yo, dog, check it, kick back. Let me holler at these niggas for a minute. Straight off the streets of chaos and no pity. The aggravator, making these punk motherfuckers hate it. Calm down.
Y'all hear me?
Can't never leave the crib without a murder weapon.
Let me break this off.
I can't live my life on broke no more. And most of these
I get on
ain't shit.
Facebook,
they smile in the nigga face.
For the United Hood Nation.
They got the game fucked up. And when my thing
I don't disrespect my life. I don't let my body do things that I regret. I say things to make you sweat, but to make you bet on yourself. Like, you know, I might say, I am Paul Lee. I might say, I'm from the Attila. I might say church. I might say haters. But I want you to understand, this right here is like being on the screen in the FBI building or the CIA building. But also, it's in the mind of those around the world. So, number one, law is self-preservation. I don't think the new school understands that. And even the old school never learned that. They never lived that. Now, let me say this. I see them throwing salt on people that I don't see salt as necessary. Oh, I'm throwing salt right now on the ones that is necessary, so you can take that salt off you and let it, you know, just pop your collar, let it go, let it go, let it go. Back to the main course of this meal. Everything on this social media is on CIA. Okay, I say again. Oh, I should have showed you, you know, this Hollywood. I just passed the Hollywood Bowl. You know, we're going down here by Hollywood Boulevard. Yeah, my windows need cleaning, but whatever the hell. You need to get this meaning. You know, you got foot soldiers that know foot soldiers. You have sergeants that affiliate with sergeants. You have majors that affiliate with majors. You have colonels that affiliate with colonels. Let me turn this around. And you have generals that associate with generals. Also, you have teachers and professors and instructors that know students. They know students from ones with PhDs to preschool leads. And whatever the case may be, we still on social media now, and I'll never be associated with ones that need salt through on them to take the salt off. Let me just keep it like that. So stop bringing a brother's faults to the table. That's just like when I be looking at, with all due respect, verse 48. Ones in jaywalking in front of cars that can't seem to relate. Some things I go through I could never ever mention. Anyway, I'm mentioning this and I'm about to get off. I think I said enough to make it be clear enough for those who understand that let me just let you get a bar. This old track right here. This used to be the track when I was a youngster. Sunset and Highland is down there. I'm on Highland in Hollywood. Yeah, we're gonna change that subject. So you know, all this is where the hoes. Well, let me just leave that alone too. Just watch Hollywood Boulevard. But things have changed, and watered down is what's in your brain, and you seem to have lost communication with who you are. So I'm just bringing you the things that might rearrange even the stars on Hollywood Boulevard.
You're like an actor, what another script, predictable as Rambo, what another clip. How many niggas you gon' kill in your verse? You need to sit down and learn to get in first. Real fingers, the toe swingers, not part-time FBI singer. Niggas having bad intentions, sending BGs on the mission. One move too many, nigga, you miss. Listen, you fuck with the psycho, like no loony ass nigga from your H-double-O-D. Niggas got two flows from all the sex they toss me. And guess what it cost me? They cost me.
Go live for what?
Probably listening to me on your phone or your computer or that little speaker in the corner of the room that lights up when you say its name. You didn't get rid of your radio, just listen to it a little differently now. With big innovations, the best new things are always built on something reliable, like smart locks from Schlage. Schlage has been trusted for over 100 years, and their latest smart locks let you control who's coming and going from anywhere. It's a new way to use something trusted in over 40 million homes. Trust your home to Schlage.
She was a lean, she went to Gucci. I ride with some hunters on me, I got a blue cheek. Pull up in a Jeep, I put it on for a Jeep.
Having them breakfast
I
eyeballs.
want your body, give me some top on the front seat. We gon' go for an hour, then we gon' move to the back seat. When you give me a lap dance, baby, back for the deck, please. Run it back, run it back, run it back, run it back like a track meet. Baby, relax me, you ain't gotta ask me. I blew it back out. Fucking that bitch got it tapping out. I be buzzing like busting the racks out. I got it right in the photo. Drake in the zone and no polo. I was in the rave at the white out. Bottle the cars off Coco. I gotta drape you up. She got bad bitches naked with us. I got diamonds gon' drip on the pussy. Keep them in the cut. I keep a bed for her. She know that she coming, of course. Had to throw that fat ass in the porch. Gotta face that ass to the north. Yeah, yeah. She was a lean. She went to Gucci. I ride with some harness on me, I got a blue cheek. Pull up in a Jeep, I put it on for a Jeep. I want your body, give me this laptop on the front seat. We gon' go for an hour, then we gon' move to the back seat. When you give me a lap dance, baby, right for the cat, please. Run it back, run it back, run it back, run it back like a track meet. Baby, relax me, you ain't gotta ask me. She was a lean, on a Celine King. Need the pussy with my grind on, put it all on my bling bling. I call her my little mama, she want the Balenciaga. Sippin' sake at the bar, cause we can't go to Benihana. 2020, 720S, it's a race car. Yeah, it's a jet till my windows black. Give me toppy at the lights, cause you ran to that. Another pennies to the side. And we go round like some boxing shit. So when I give you bang on that green, I spent on it on the ring, on the green. She said she love me every time when I'm leaving. Fucking sex, I'm saying. She wants a lean, she want the Gucci. I ride with some hundreds on me, I got the Gucci. Pull up in the Jeep, I put it on for a Jeep. I want your body, give me some pop on the front seat. We gon' go for an hour, then we gon' move to the back seat. When you give me a lap dance, baby, wait for the get key. Run it back, run it back, run it back, run it back, like a track me. Hey, relax me, you ain't gotta ask me.
Not a goddamn dime.
Making me high, you wanna try? Up in the rain, sunshine, blue sky, flying. I see orange stars, green clovers, and blue diamonds. Feeling nutritious, making love to my bitches, baby. You ain't gonna make no puzzle out of so hurry. Get my money type and play for nothing. Have something wrong with now. Now I'm beside of my phone. I got some bitches on the counter. My baby mama with them too. Cause I'm a motherfucking fool. What's up, shit? Press a pussy, baby. The pressure pussy, baby. I'm shaking them in the and they say it's got the dirt. You're not taking them to see me. You fuck it on your phone with your friends. Cause I was getting shown to see I'm all about my hand. The one side of ammonia is the city where it's at. Say yes, and then Mr. Miller's not gonna drag me. Still a real man, I'm not the we be playing. Just pussy, you think I'm with it, you know what I'm saying. The method of the shit, the niggas all up in your gang. Can never be done if you continue to remain. A victim is blind, should've acted long on nobody. I should've been a spin back in the day, told you Charlie. Saying,
you can run away from a player, but you can't.
no, you can't hide from yourself because everywhere you go, there you are.
You can run, but there's no place else left to hide.
Kiss my pimpin' ass, cause some of y'all niggas be killing me. Fly for life, this life's mine, willing to die. Fly for life. There was a time to stay out of mine, not a dime, not a goddamn. And they can talk, making me high. You wanna try? Strange sweets in the white bird, picking up seed, kill gang. They come a bitch and mark, jealous player, hate lame. And he's slipping like a bad transmission, too. Giving bitches his money. Now, do that sound like you? They say money don't come, and it's hard to make. I think about it every time I bump a bitch to break. You can't pay me no nigga to respect the bitch. Fall in love, get married, and watch her take half my shit. But you a gangster. Yeah, you hard as fuck. A straight killer to your homies, but that pussy got you stuck. I got gang. Something you stuck on. I want some money, but you wanna get your fuck on trick. Shoot a nigga cause he's on the other side of the street. But scared to let your bitch go out cause your game is weak. Now how your money want my heart? So how your money want my heart? You see the gangster, nigga, sucker, fucker, teaser, loser, snapper, rapper, in the back, the flow. That's your heart on the couch, in a rap, check it out. Her gut, so rough, so tough. Bustin' up, get up and tell her shut the fuck up. Know what you gon' be, nigga. Part of the problem, I'm part of the solution. I pay restitution to the institution of prostitution. Y'all know that nigga that be talking that old king gang, killing me with that bullshit. Don't be one the damn thing. Not correct me if I'm wrong. I love my money myself, more weed, but anything else and get the fuck out. Fly for life, this life is mine, willing to die. Fly for life. Don't cost a dime, stay out of mine. Not a dime, not a goddamn. And nigga time, making me high. You wanna try? Yeah. I heard a bitch, see if you hit a bitch, then use a bitch yourself. I said, then call me the one, bitch, now I beat that bitch to death. I see you got that nigga pussy grip, with that pussy grip on that pussy trip, staring at your pussy lip. You say you got too much pride to her. Bitch, you push, come and shove, you be ready to go. Hey, come pushing, let go shoving, a front and back tray, candy, black, great, we go, these on brand new dust. Ready to get out that brain with that game that I got from Tony Jane, Ernest Strain, and Jermaine. Black toes, my backbone, one mask on my dog, on movie on my name, on movie to my ankle bones. Hey, Tony Jane, you better tell him, you ready to jump this nigga a jump or something, man, cause I'm an old man. Jealous niggas don't believe us, so I'ma rip the microphone, I walk between the devil and Jesus.
I need to be using my new Samsung 21 Ultra and see how it feels. It's supposed to be so bad. As a matter of fact.
Drunk telling lies, it's the same old thing. Now I'm rolling down in the lane by the curb, pushing false gates out behind whoopers with rebar. I'm loco wide, crazy people, travel from Sundown, New G, breaking OG down. As I take you face to face to a place that takes the place of one place to place. I rap my cash, like a lie, this life is mine, willing to die. fly for life. There was a dime, stay out of mind. Not a dime, not a goddamn dime. And nigga time, making me hot. You wanna try? Yeah. Fly for life, fly for life, fly for life. Fly for life.
Right there when we want to post up, but I gotta get more merchandise made up. Let me turn this down. I want you brothers and sisters to remember, we're gonna start just like they had Juneteenth Day. We're gonna have now on No Haters Day, but it's gonna be every day. All right. I'm out of here. Peace. Yo, they got a hood in Hollywood. Yeah, that's where I live at. Right here in the hood of Hollywood. All that other's right around that corner. But boy, I don't even want to go nowhere. We leave it alone. Peace.